Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Usims ngema uyowenda imami makeover, ugela uthi uyowenda i-tummy tuck kanye nemabele so i-tummy tuck ngilabasha khona ifika bakushaya bakukhiphe emkhaba bakushaya benefika bathathe amabele akho bashaya amabele akho bawashaqina amathi nqo ongathi ulitshitshi. Ngisho kuthiwa una-10 kids kuyovele kubonakale ongazi ukuthi nje awukasi waba nemfana. So abantu abaningi bayayenda this thing, especially ama-celebrities ethu siyati kokuthi ayayenda into lefana nalena. Most of them benda uma kukuthi bake baba nebantwana and bafuna kuhlala ba-fresh, bafuna kuhlala bokuba ngazuthi abakase kwahlala mntwana esiswini akase kwamunya mntwana ebeleni. So it's really something lekuya ngaye umuntu kokuthi uyayithanza or akayithanzi, and there's nothing wrong. I don't know why abantu they are dragging people who are doing mabele, BBL nani. If unemali unayo imali and if into uyithanza, why kumele ungayindi why kumele ungayindi into uyithanza unayo imali afforda. So the very same people laba drag abantu laba and ama-BBL nani ukuthi imali ayikho ayikho imali, sibavele babona ngazuthi mhlampe umuntu umosha imali uzama ukutitshintsha asicu sakhe. Why umuntu atitshintshe uNkulunkulu umnike? No, uNkulunkulu akaniki umuntu mabele lawile, atiwela amabele because of umtimba womuntu, because of umuntu sonebantwana nanani. If umuntu angekho happy ngaloko why kumele umuntu angayekoshaya unqaphisa amabele, angayekonda amabele akhe aqine? Why? If umuntu anemali akuthanza, why kufanele sibadrage abantu labendaloko? So kunebantu lesibabona-ko-ke ama-celebrities ethu labayendile lento leyo labanye abantu vele ubone ukuthi ngazuthi wende likula indlela kukubi ngakhona kubi kume ngazuthi Nkosi yami nje sikangeni lapho. But kunebantu labashayi baba banhle like mina nje for uwandi ngiyambona ukuthi cha bamshaya clean job guys. I don't wanna lie, ngifuna ukumonela, ngifuna ukumjelasela mntwana abantu. BBL yakhe tops, she ate ngaleya BBL, and another person uSithelo Shozi, she ate. And I'm not quite sure about the others, but uSithelo and uWandi definitely Nkosi yami bashayile ijob laphana ebantwaneni. Mtimba litiya. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.